right, hit the like and subscribe buttons if this video helps you out. This is the second time I've done this. This is a Keurig coffee pot, K-Slim I think it's called. And yesterday I descaled it and it doesn't work anymore. I got no power. So it's plugged in right now and I can't get any power. Now, last night after the descaling, I tried to run a couple more cups of water through it just to clean it all out, and it made a little bit of noise, but it smelled bad. It smelled like electrical burning. So these have a reset button that's buried inside. If it overheats, then I'm going to rip this apart and try to reset, see if that fixes it. If not, it's going into the trash. So you can walk along with me while I do that. At the bottom there's some screws I think I'm supposed to take out, which I can't see. Then you can snap the back off somehow. I think there's a couple screws under here. I don't know if that even help. If I pop these off. There's one screw buried in there. Might as well take them apart. Well, those came out. Alright, this is turning into a project. This comes off the bottom. There's a third screw here. There's clips here that you gotta put a screwdriver in to get out. One there. But I need to take the cover apart. This is only taking the bottom apart. So this is turning into a take apart mission instead of a repair mission. Something's gonna break, I can feel it. The whole cover's supposed to slide off. They come off this way. What it looks like I'm doing is separating from the base. Something's happening, kinda. This whole thing's supposed to lift off, just so I can get to this freaking sensor. And she don't want to come apart. Oh, there we go. The old smack it with your hand. Engineering. Oh boy. Okay. I just destroyed this thing. Well, that'll be fun putting it back together. But it doesn't appear that I broke anything. So, right there is the reset, the center of that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my little, could use a paper clip for this. I don't feel like it did anything. plug it in and see if we got power now. Sure didn't feel like it did anything. Actually felt sticky. Nope, no power. Again, this thing, when I turned it on last night, it smelled like it was burning. Back with some new tools. Oh boy, here we go. I'm putting some serious pressure on it now. Plug it in. It doesn't feel like that's moving at all. I think it melted last night. We got no power. Well, this guy, he ain't gonna make it. I checked the reset button with my multimeter, and it doesn't need reset. It's got current going through it, so the issue isn't the reset button. I think this thing just wore out. I smelled electrical when I turned it on, and I read that there's some issues when they get old. When you descale, you may burn up the circuit board. So I'm not gonna dig through there. There's a lot of technology in there though. So this guy gets to go right down there into that red can. It's worth a try. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.